Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series, and today you will learn another new eye makeup. So firstly I'm taking the brown eyeshadow and depositing it over the outer edges of the eye in the direction of V, because we will create the partial smoky kind of eye with the color brown and the purple. So with the help of flat applicator, applying the brown eyeshadow over the outer edges. Now taken the blending brush and blending this eyeshadow. The brush I'm using from the brand Bellie, and the palette I'm using, that is Pretty All Set UCANBE. If you want to see the color, then you can reverse the video or taken the screenshot. Now again taking the blending brush and blending this eyeshadow. Now taking the black eyeshadow and with the help of smudge brush or blending brush, blending this eyeshadow. Here we given the depthness to the color. Now going to take in the purple color from the palette with the help of flat applicator, applying it over the inner corner of the eye. As you can see, blending it till I get the natural effect. As you can see, blurring out all the crease lines. Now using the Forever 52 gel liner in the shade number GT001, the darkest brown, applying it with the help of liner brush in a way you can see. If client having hooded eye, then you don't need to give the liner. Now smudging it with the help of smudge brush. Now the look after lashes, you can see. Going to do the under eye with the help of liner brush, applying the gel liner to the lower lash line of the eye in the color black. Now going to do the under eye smudging with the help of smudge brush and taken the color darkest brown. Now going to apply the mascara to the lower lashes, and the mascara I am using from the brand Maybelline Colossal, as you can see. So if you have any query, you can directly comment in the comment section. I will respond to everybody as soon as possible. Till then, keep practicing. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet in next tutorial.